Greetings, friend. Watch Refrigeration News for Wednesday, May 17, 2023 on our channel. Daikin Applied introduces Trailblazer heat pump chiller. Modine Manufacturing to expand Europe production. Registration open, Green Cooling Summit 2023. Dear friend, please like this video if it was useful for you. First news today. Daikin Applied introduces Trailblazer heat pump chiller. Daikin Applied Americas announced the launch of the Trailblazer HP, an air-cooled scroll chiller that uses heat pump technology to deliver electricity-powered heating and cooling for commercial buildings and industrial processes. The Trailblazer HP is built on a product platform that Daikin Applied has successfully leveraged in Europe, a region where heat pumps are prevalent, hitting a record high in sales in 2022. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Modine Manufacturing to expand Europe production. Modine Manufacturing Company, a manufacturer of heat transfer coils, is expanding operations at its current location in Sremska, Serbia, to meet growing demand from the heat pump market in Europe. When complete later this year, the new facility will be a dedicated manufacturer of coils for commercial and residential heat pump applications. And quote, "We are excited to expand our manufacturing operations in Serbia to serve our key customers in Europe and beyond," end quote, said Eric McGuinness, President, Climate Solutions. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Registration open, Green Cooling Summit 2023. The third edition of the Green Cooling Summit that will explore policy approaches, technology solutions and innovative business models for green cooling along the cold chain, will take place on 10 and October 11, 2023 online. The event is jointly organized by the German Environment Agency, UBA, and GIZ-Pro-Klima on behalf of the German Federal Ministry for the Environment, Nature Conservation, Nuclear Safety and Consumer Protection, BMUV, and the German Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development, BMC. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Join Refrigeration Group on Facebook and LinkedIn. Please find the links below.